ma'am, ito pong si Mr. Aldi Santos, yung kanyang agency po ba ay nakausap niyo po patungkol po dito?
Opo. Ang huling usap namin is nung October 8. Pinapunta po nila ako sa agency nila para sabihin na hindi na nga raw po ako makatanggap ng pera kasi hindi po sila binayaran ng kaap. Bali, kaap po muna sila nung una.
Then, tinransfer po sa agency?
Tinransfer po sila sa agency. Pero under pa rin po sila ng kaap.
Pero ma'am, ano po yung cause of death po ni Mr. Ma'am?
Head injury. Putok yung ulot kaka buwak-wak yung bungo niya.
Kumbaga parang nauna po sa pagbagsak niya yung kanyang
yung ulo po.
Ma'am, di ba po we released already 150,000 pesos to cover hospital expenses. Tama po ba?
Opo. Kaya nga lang po, ang tanong po doon, bakit to inano nyo sa damayan niya na dapat naman ay hindi? Kasi niya na yun benefits niya na yun Di ba sinabi nyo na hihingi nyo sa kaap, yun dapat na talagang sila ang magbabayad nun? Ma'am,
kasi kami po yung employer nyo.
Okay
the benefit of your husband is, yun pong damayan, tama po kayo. And since we advanced already 150,000 pesos for the hospital expenses, kumbaga yun na yung pauna na nirelease na nga po siya without the standard processing of the damayan. So, ang request po ba natin dito sa that is the reason for your approaching Senator Tulfo's office is you would like us to shoulder the full hospital expenses. Ganon po ba?
Opo, kasi ang po doon, wala rin naman po kasi akong ilalabas na pera talaga Ang doon, dapat sa inyo kasi yun Dahil doon na disgrasya ang asawa ko sa loob mismo ng airport. At saka oras ng work niya.
Yung employee niyo ba po, ma'am, is completely compliant with our SSS regulations?
Yes po, sir. Yung pag-cover ng hospital expenses, hindi po siya standard benefit namin.
Pero the reason I wanted to establish yung status ng SSS was simply to make sure that they're qualified for the compensation commission, no? Yung employees compensation.
Qualified po. In fact, we will be the one processing this since na-advance na nga namin yung 150,000.
What's the status of our ECC processing po, attorney?
Documentation lang po, isasubmit. Nagpunto po siya, I think, October 8. Opo. May hiningi po bang document sa inyo? Kompleto na po ba?
Kompleto naman po.
Ayun po. So, lang po, we will just, lang po yun, monitoring na lang po yun. Dahil kung sinabi na po ng office na kompleto na kayo, then that means, sinubmit na nila yon and then, we're just waiting.
Sir, ito na lang po. Baka po pwedeng i-follow up natin yung release po ng benefits that they may receive from the ECC.
Okay, sir. Sir, just to clarify, for all EC claims applications po, we have what we call administering agencies. In this case, since the worker is working in the private sector, yung administration is at the level of SSS. So tama po, dapat nakapag-file na po yung corporation or yung company before the SSS.
Yes, sir.
Malalaman nila yung status actually by simply downloading the SSS app. So yung mismong claimant natin ngayon dyan sa studio can download the SSS app, tapos from there po, she can view the actual status of the application, assuming the same was already filed. So dapat din may knowledge na kagad si agency kung talagang na-file nila. Kasi kanina po pinapakinggan ko, based dun sa facts na na-present.
Yes, sir.
Parang na-provide na ni empleyado yung lahat ng documents needed for the processing. So, dapat po na-file na siya kasi within 10 days, dapat po na-file na siya.
It has been released. Now, what we're saying is, ang SSS po ang may control ng release nitong funds na to our complainant.
Yes, sir. At the moment, sir, yung jurisdiction is within the SSS po. Umaakit po, sir, dito sa amin sa ECC for appellate purposes.
Yes, kapag may denial of claims.
Kapag may denial na.
Yeah.
Tama ho, sir. So ngayon, kaya po hindi namin ma-check sa system kung nandito na kasi nasa level po pala ng SSS.
Yun po ang clarification na gusto ko sanang tanungin ngayon, sir. Kasi the timeline, no, technically is 10 days.
Yes,
If
sir.
it is more than 10 days, hindi ba automatically the ECC should come in? Because for me, it will act as a denial already. Hindi kaya?
In some cases, sir, umaakit siya sa amin by mere referral po by the system. Hindi siya automatic, sir, na within... Actually, yung 10 days, sir, yun yung, kumbaga, prescription period within which to file for EC claim in this case.
Yeah.
Apo, normally tumatagal po yan ng 20 days or month.
So that's where we come in. Medyo hindi kami payag doon. Maybe we can get in touch with the SSS. Ano bang kailangan nilang tulong? Why is this process so long? Diba? Na all the facts that we need to establish has already been established. All the documents that we need to pass has already been passed. Yun nga, abot siya ng 20 days, 1 month. I think it's very unfair kasi as we all know, kapag na-hospital ka, every day, it's more expensive, di ba?
So ganito po ang pwedeng maging next course of action po ng ating claimant. Unang-una, dapat kasi nag-provide ng information or update yung employer mismo. Kasi in this case, nag-file supposedly yung employer on behalf of the employee. So dapat sila yung may initial access.
Kasi po, di ba, October 8 po kasi complete na yung document niya.
Yes, ma'am.
Different po kasi yung filing ng claim when the employee died and when the employee is
Yes, ma'am.
alive. In this case po kasi namatay si employee, so ang claimant is the family and
Yes,
they
ma'am.
are the ones to process. We actually informed them na they have to process it, but according to the office, they were informed, si Madam was informed po, to submit na kasi na-check na complete. But nag-offer pa rin naman kami ng assistance. Can we check from Mrs. Santos po if successfully filed?
Ma'am, nakapag-file ba po kayo ng nararapat na mga papeles dun sa...
Opo, kaya lang hindi ako makapasok sa pinaka-site ng kasi yung mga hinihingi nila, hindi tumutugma. Hindi tumutugma kasi online siya eh. Tulad ng employer number, employer ID number. Tapos, inaano namin siya, yung employer ID number. Hindi siya tumutugma.
Ganito, attorney,
Okay.
Attorney Tuason, how about, para mabilis tayo lahat, no? You assist si Miss Jeremy Santos to successfully file her claim.
Yes, okay. Tawag dito, we have been, from October 8 naman, she's fully informed. And actually, even until today, we have been reaching out to her and asking her what else she needs. So, kung ito lang naman pala ang problema nyo, ma'am, punta na lang po kayo sa office namin so that we can assist you kung ano man yung problema nyo dun sa online.
Ma'am, we'll make sure that she makes it by end of day today para matapos na po tong claim. Papasamahan po namin siya sa staff namin. Would that be
okay.
fine?
Sige po, that would be fine.
Yun doon naman po sa trabaho. Kasi sila sa akin na pwede naman ako makapasok.
Opo.
Na bilang kapalitan ng asawa ko.
Opo.
Kaya nga lang, hanggang ngayon wala pa rin ang trabahong binibigay sa akin.
Actually, attorney, pinaliwanag ko po nga sa kanya na they are outsourced personnel at ang employer po nila ang HealthServe. So, upon the assessment and recommendation, ang nangyari po kasi, yung trabaho po ng kanyang asawa po, that involved grass cutting po, vegetation control sa runway. As per assessment, that will pose unsafe dun sa kanyang asawa.
Since she is already able, if she's willing, so there's no problem, sir, na siya ang mag-fill up
Yes
ng...
po. Kaya
Ma'am, okay ba
yes
kayo
po.
na
Kaya
same
nga
na
po,
trabaho
actually,
ng asawa ninyo yung kukunin
Okay
ninyo?
po. Basta po may trabaho ko.
Yes po. Ganito nga po yun, attorney. Nandun din po yun sa kanyang application na nakalagay na she's willing as per the acting airport manager ng Stanley.
Yes, sir.
So we have to, in-endorse po namin yan sa HealthServe.
If Madam is saying
Willing.
that she is ready, si Mrs. Santos is saying she is willing and she's not concerned about the safety concerns. And if our client is willing to accept, then there should be no problem. Then we'll just communicate that with the teams concerned.
Ayun.
And dapat ma-process na siya.
Now that we've got on the same line, mapoprocess na rin natin yung employment ni Ma'am Jeremy. Thank you, ma'am.
Maraming salamat po,
Papasamahan po
ma'am.
namin kayo agad, ma'am. Ready na silang tumanggap sa inyo doon sa opisina para matapos na po lahat ang
Okay
application
po.
na kailangan.
Marami po salamat.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am. And
Thank you.
condolence po muli.
Okay
Salamat po.
Thank you po.